This is fiction. I made it up. Mr. Rogers said it was okay to do this. My fiction starts with fact. In 1608, a boat comes to the shores of what's now known as the United States of America. Then comes my fiction. Rather than things working out the way we now know, things go a bit different. Pocahontas turns out to be a bit of a warrior genius, and next thing you know, the Europeans decide to not stick any more flags in the soil. Continuing my fiction, the centuries pass, and the borders for the United States of Pocahontas just so happen to be the exact same borders that we now know as the USA. There's trade between the USP and other countries, and the USP has values that are a bit different than other countries, especially when it comes to agriculture. When folks outside the USP said, "Hey, this plowing thing is awesome, you should try it," the folks in the USP said, "That seems like a practice that's disrespectful to Mother Earth. We choose not to do that." Similar sorts of things happened with petroleum-based fertilizers and pesticides. The culture within the USP evolved a lot, but these values about respect for the earth remained. In my imagination, the amount of food produced per acre is far more than what other countries can accomplish. Plus, the lifespan and overall health exceeds all other nations. The number one industry in the USP is a sort of health tourism. When people come here, their ills tend to just fade away. I'm curious to know what their practices are. Since it's all in my imagination, I'm the only one that can possibly paint this picture. I wonder about how we could go about recreating this. The foundations seem to me to smell a bit like permaculture. Biodynamic, respectful harvest, and an overall more symbiotic relationship with nature, as opposed to the current model, which kinda seems like make nature my personal bitch.